here is my 15-minute bird bath. A tub, a piece of wood, a stone, and a little floating water fountain. And I threw a few plants around it to try and make it look a little nicer. And already the birds are taking notice of it. Believe it or not, it's really overcast, and this little solar-powered fountain is working like a dream. I'm pretty impressed with it. And if we go over here, is one of my bird feeders, hummingbird feeders, and we have another hummingbird feeder up here, and we got lots of little birds coming to them. Anyway, it's kind of fun doing these things, especially when you're out camping. These little birds, they seem to like coming up and having a look at me once in a while. Good times.